The self credit builder is not necessarily for like business credit. I know some people want to use it for business credit, but you guys cannot use it for business credit. You guys can build up your personal credit and then you guys can personally guarantee, business credit, but you guys can't get like a business account for the self account. Now, if you guys really want to try, I don't talk about I don't talk about business credit that much. I just feel like I've been out of touch with it to really talk about it. But if you guys want to start building up some business credit, you want to account that's kind of similar to this, then I suggest that you guys look into Credit Strong, because Credit Strong, they actually have some accounts for like business. So they have a personal side right here, and then they have a business side. So you guys can look into this account. Now, again, it's just like the business credit side, which is why I'm telling you guys about it. They have different plans that you guys can sign up for. So definitely look into Credit Strong because it's very similar to the self, and they're going to report um, basically what you want. They're going to report so that you can start building